Hey guys, it's Brooke here from the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am planting up the hanging baskets on my porch. I didn't do this last year, but this year I'm going to keep it really simple. This is my porch, so it gets it's definitely partial shade, more I would say like partial to full shade. And so I need to do something that's actually going to be happy in this spot. In the past, let's see, I grew some Morning Glory, which actually did okay. And I also put some chrysanthemum one fall, and those were okay. They didn't really do much of anything. So this is how I'm improving on the process. Okay guys, so I just realized I was doing all that talking and I didn't even hit the film button. So let's talk about this planter. So I got this particular planter, which is kind of deep, as you can see, from Flagg's Garden Center. So I dumped the old soil out and I added fresh soil. And what I did is I put even though it's got cocoa liner in it, you guys know that drains pretty quickly. So I lined it with some felt by the yard that I got from Joann Fabric. I ran into an older gentleman in Joann who said that's what he uses in his baskets and it helps retain the moisture. I did add a fertilizer stick to this. As a matter of fact, I added 4, and let's see if I can find it in here. Like I said, I already put these in here before I realized I didn't hit the button on it. Here we go. So this is a all-purpose fertilizer stick by Job's. It's like 444. So I put 4 of these. Hopefully, with 4 of them, it'll retain. Oops! I think I pulled one from over there too. Hopefully, the nutrients will stay in it. I'm using a microphone, so hopefully you guys can hear me over all the car sounds. So the plant that I'm putting in this is the Main Street series of Coleus. It's Oxford Street. I actually pinch the plant back to here. Let me show you how much I took off. This is how much I took off. Because I want this, oops, I'm trying to climb back on a ladder. But I want the side shoots to branch off. If you guys were not aware, there is a hormone in the tip of the plant which makes it grow tall. When you pinch it off, with that hormone gone, it starts bushing out. So this will get between 18 to 24 inches tall and 12 inches wide. So it should fill out this whole thing nicely. So we'll see how it goes. I'll probably be pinching it as it gets bigger just to make sure it's as full as possible. And so, we'll see how that goes. So I have 2 more down there. So I'm just going to do those, but I'm not going to put it on time lapse. You guys know how this whole process goes. I'm just going to keep this video nice and short. So I'll see you guys after I'm done. Guys, so as you can see, the plant is in. I've got a bucket under here just to see what's going to happen. I've got my hose on soaker. So let's see, does it run right through? Woo! And guys, I'm trying to do this from ground level. And if you were not aware, I'm super short. Okay, and I can't turn it off. Hang on. Okay, so there is some draining, but I think that's more just because I'm short and I'm trying to do this one-handed. So we'll see what happens when I do it on the other ones. Okay guys, higher vantage point this time around. I didn't turn the hose on quite as powerfully as I did over there. Okay, so I think that's enough water. It's still draining, but I have to say, when I've done this in the past with just the regular, without the felt, it was like draining like crazy. So I'll put a bucket under it just so that I don't damage the deck, the porch. But yeah, it seems now that I put a modest amount of water in it, it seems to be doing pretty well. So I'll just keep it moisturized, and then we'll see how this goes, y'all. So last one to water, and I'm down low again, so. Make sure I soak this all really good. Okay. So yeah, there's some, but it's not running through it. So the gentleman probably had a point. So I will keep you guys posted on this, and we'll see how this goes. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.